You're not supposed to have favorite children, but thankfully when it comes to woodworking, you can have a favorite glue. And for me, that's Titebond 3. And here's the reason why. Most people think of Titebond 3 for waterproof projects. Stuff you're making for outdoors or stuff that's gonna get wet, like this cutting board that I made not long ago. But I found that Titebond 3 has a lot more going for it, and it's turned out to be my go-to glue for practically every project I make. Here's a few reasons why. In addition to being waterproof, when I squirt some into a cup here, you can see that the glue has kind of a tan color that blends in with the types of wood that I'm using most of the time. A lot of these medium tones like the beech or the mahogany, even pine works well with Titebond 3. Titebond 3 gives me a little bit more working time, so when I have a complex assembly like the case to this clock that I made for a gift, I have plenty of opportunity to get all the parts aligned, the joints pulled together tight without worrying about the glue seizing up on me. Finally, I found that even though it's waterproof when it's dry, Titebond 3 is really easy to work with. I can apply a bead of glue to my pieces, clamp them together, and any squeeze out can be cleaned up with just a rag and some warm water. So if you're ready to simplify your glue selection, I think Titebond 3 goes at the top of the list.